there you are. In the last session, I showed you how easy it is to set up spaces, folders, lists, and how tasks work. As you know, I'm a business efficiency consultant, so it shouldn't be to any surprise to you that today's session is all about templating. You've already started to see the power of ClickUp, and today you'll hear all about how you can easily and effortlessly template the process you are building. Just imagine that amazing feeling of clicking one, okay, maybe two buttons, and all you need appears like magic. No more spending hours and hours of setting up tasks or even a whole project. Now, what can you template in ClickUp? Pretty much anything. You can template spaces, you can template folders, you can template lists, you can template tasks, and if tasks get applied to an existing task, with that, even subtasks. As I already told you, there's a lot of things that we can template. And in today's email, you will find the guides that will show you how to apply a space template, how to save something you build as a space template, and how to update an existing space template, but also how to save a folder as a new template, apply a folder template, or update an existing folder template. The same thing for your lists, because again, we can pretty much template anything and everything, but sometimes you just want a piece. So you will also find the how-to guides on how to browse list templates and apply those. Save a list template, save a list that you would like to make a template, as well as update an existing list template you have. And last but not least, the same thing with your tasks. You will find the recipes to easily apply a task template, save a task template, and update an existing task template. Now, with all of these templates going on, why would you want to save something as a task template, then something as a list template and a space template? Think of it as your folder structure, just like you have on your PC or your Mac. You can save a space template with the folders inside of that space, with all the lists within those folders, and with all the lists within those tasks. That is a lot. That can be ready for you for client onboarding or projects that are already laid out that you just want to rinse and repeat. Now, that's not always practical. Sometimes we just need to add a new task, or we need to just add an onboarding list to our client folder. And that's where this comes in, being able to really save everything as a template, all the way from being in the micro of your task to the big picture view of a full-on space template and anything in between. Now it is your turn. Check out the Minerva interactive guides below and make templates your new superpower. I'll see you again in the next session when we will talk about bringing others into ClickUp. Want to collaborate with your team members? No problem. Show your clients all the work you have done. ClickUp has you covered, and I will show you in the next session how we can do all of that. I'll see you there.